Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Dirtydog 4x4 roll bar covers for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. If you've owned a Wrangler in the past, like maybe an older Jeep Wrangler TJ, or even an 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK, well, you know that Jeep has always used a soft padded covering over top of their roll bars. With the introduction of the 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, and then of course the Gladiator, well, Jeep changed the look and design of their roll bars and left you with a painted body color exposed metal surface on the outside of the roll bar and plastic panels on the inside. If you simply prefer the look and feel of a soft padded fabric covering over your roll bar, the Dirtydog 4x4 roll bar covers are the quick and easy way to add some styling to your Gladiator as well. They're made from 100% solution dyed acrylic fabric that's both water, mildew, and UV resistant, and they install in minutes without any modification to your Jeep required. In fact, I had these installed on my Gladiator in under 5 minutes from the time I opened the box until I had them fully installed on my Jeep. They're a simple two-piece design, one continuous piece down the driver's side and another piece for the passenger side of the Jeep. As you can see, they're held in place with some hook and loop strips on top of the soundbar and down below the rear seat belts, and then some zippers that run along the inside edge at both the rear and the front sections to hold them in place on your roll bar. There's two different configurations available to make them compatible with both soft top or hard top equipped Gladiators. I currently have the soft top version of the covers installed on my Jeep, and as you can see, they do feature the appropriate cutouts both front and rear to allow you to attach your soft top door surrounds. Now, if you have a dual top equipped Jeep, so one with a soft top for the warmer months and a hard top for the colder months, you'll want to choose the soft top version of the covers so that you can leave them in place and they'll be compatible no matter which version top you have installed on your Jeep. Now, it's also worth noting if you're going to be installing an additional accessory, like maybe the Dirtydog cargo and pet divider here behind your front seats, you'll also want to choose the soft top version of the padded covers because they do use that same attachment point as your rear door surrounds. No matter which version you choose, either the hard top or soft top, both of them are available in your choice of red, like I have installed here, or black as well. As you can see, the black covers that I have installed now are the hard top version of the roll bar covers, the only difference being the lack of those appropriate cutouts to attach your soft top door surrounds. Now, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. As always, if you have any comments or questions about the roll bar covers, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.